Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're gonna be cleaning this thing's block up and getting ready to put the GTE head gasket on with the ARP head studs. Let's go. So this thing is clearly crusty, and before I put the head on, I wanna just kind of clean up the bay a little bit because it's always easier when the head's off. This actually reminds me of, I was watching Evan Shank's videos of his Supra when he had it, and when he first put the CX Racing kit on. And he actually got an engine cleaner by Griot's Garage or Griot's. I don't know, don't sue me. You know, obviously I know he's sponsored by him, but I've always known these guys to make really good stuff. So I'm really excited to see how this works. And as you can tell, we got a funky bay, a lot of dirt up in here, some coolant in the back from when there was a coolant leak, so. Just gonna spray some water on this, and so I really just want to get all the hard to reach areas. Oh, there's a bolt. I probably didn't need that. What up? Not much though. All right, we're just gonna keep cleaning this up and get it ready for head gasket. All right, everyone, first things first is I personally went ahead and just taped off all the bolt holes. I don't want anything falling in there that could potentially mess me up when I install my ARP head studs. Just be careful, make sure you're not dropping stuff in the coolant jackets, and I'm just gonna be careful around the holes, but just use your common sense. Obviously, don't forget any of these if you go about this way, but all right, everyone, we got the block cleaned up, and now we're about to, we did the same thing to the head, so now we're about to clean out the thread holes for the ARP head studs and blow them out, and then start throwing this thing back together. So let's go. All right, we got the threads cleaned out, so we should be good to start throwing in our studs. One way back. Put the box like somewhere I can grab them. Some faster. You put them in the center. On them? Doesn't matter. No, I'll just set them right here. That's cool. Just because I'm faster than you. Shut up. Drop one. If any of them get a problem, it's that. Yeah. Mechanic. All right, everyone. As you can tell, we finished up the the GTE head gasket install with the ARP head studs. Obviously, next up is to put the head on and snug everything down. But before I get to that, I'm gonna do the crank position sensor stuff and the water pump and the timing. So we're God, dude, I hate like recording and having to chop this shit up every second.
I just chopped some shit up.
Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for the rest of this.
Final assembly.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace.